chocolate mousse with figs and spiced wine, a dessert that is very well balanced and harmonious, but also has several interesting contrasts: the sweetness of the fig, the strength of the wine, and the bitterness of the chocolate. It's not difficult to make, but it's important to follow each step closely while preparing the mousse. First, the zabaione, then adding the melted chocolate, and finally, lightening it up a bit with whipped cream. The end result will be a great dessert with a wonderful structure, a sure success, above all harmonious and very elegant. So let's get started. We let it go until we obtain a semi-whipped cream that will be merged with the final mixture. Once it has been whipped, we let it rest in the fridge. We add the granulated sugar and continue to whip it with a whisk so that we are able to write with it. We can use the help of a thermometer. It should not be any hotter than 84 degrees Celsius. We add the well-squeezed gelatin, mix it well with a whisk so that it melts completely. Then we take it off the fire and let it cool slightly. We combine the semi-whipped cream, mixing it from the bottom upwards, so that the mixture does not fall apart. We use plastic wrap directly on the mousse to cover it so that a small crust does not form when it cools down. When the sugar has melted, we turn off the stove and soak the whole figs, leaving them in wine until they cool down. We cover the liquid with the parchment paper so that the heat does not get lost and it cooks the figs perfectly. We use 2 spoons to make a quenelle with the mousse, or even easier, we can use an ice cream scooper.